Looking to up your game in Smash Party? Here are some killer tips and tricks that will make you a pro in no time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, mastering the controls is key. Make sure you're comfortable with all the game's moves and combos. Spend some time in practice mode to get the hang of it before jumping into competitive matches. Don't forget to adjust your settings for the best experience. Change your vibration, graphics, and sound settings to match your preferences. This will make your gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. Gears can change the tide of the game, but don't just grab them without thinking. Save them for a critical moment when you're a tight sport and use them strategically to gain the upper hand. Smash Party is always more fun with friends. Not only does it make the game more enjoyable, but playing with others also gives you a chance to learn new tricks and strategies from them. Team up for some epic wins. Want to focus on the gameplay without distractions, or do you love the extra flair? Adjust your special effects and vibration settings to match your vibe. And that's a wrap. With these Smash Party tips and tricks, you're all set to step up your game and have even more fun. And that's it.